Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. In this video, we are going to solve the problem. The problem statement is given as if phi is equals to 2x cube y square z to the power 4, find divergence of gradient of phi. Okay, at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. So this looks a little bit complicated, but it is not. Literally, it is not. Simply, first find the gradient of phi, grad phi. Okay, then find the divergence of grad phi. Simple, right? I'll show you how. Just stay with me till the end of the video. You'll understand this completely and you will be like, oh, this is this simple. And I was afraid of this just by looking this, right? Divergence of grad phi. This is not that complicated. So grad phi, we already know that can be written as del phi. And the formula of del phi is what? I times, this is dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. Done. So this is the formula given. Now to find the grad phi or del phi, we know that we will write it as grad phi only. Grad phi equals to phi in place of phi. What is phi given as? I will just write here given. Phi equals to 2x cube y square z to the power 4. This is the given, right? So I times dou by dou x, phi is what? 2x cube y square z to the power 4 plus j times dou by dou y, 2x cube y square z to the power 4 plus ijk, this is k times dou by dou z, 2x cube y square z to the power 4. Done. Now grad phi can be written as partial differentiation with respect to x. So it is going to be 3 2s are 6 x square y square z to the power 4 I plus this is going to with the partial differentiation with respect to y. So this is going to be 2y. So 2 2s are 4x cube y z to the power 4j plus this is partial differentiation with respect to z. So this is going to be 4 2s are 8 x cube y square z cube k. Done. This is really simple, right? So now we have the grad phi. Now what do we have to find? Divergence of grad phi. So that is divergence of grad phi we have to find. So that is what? Del dot del phi. Now differentiate this again. Dou by dou x. Okay. This is what? 6x square y square z to the power 4. And I will get cancelled. That is I into I is 1, right? Plus dou by dou y, 4x cube y z to the power 4 plus dou by dou z, 8x cube y square z cube. Done. Now this can be written as partial differentiation with respect to x only, right? So 6 2s are 12 x y square z to the power 4 plus partial differentiation with respect to y. So this is going to be 4x cube y is 1 z to the power 4 z to the power 4 plus here partial differentiation with respect to z. So 8 1s are to the 16, 3s are 24. 24 x cube y square, 24 x cube y square z square. Done. Now there is in question, you can see at point 1 comma 1 comma 1 is given, right? So divergence of grad phi at point 1 comma 1 comma 1 is equals to 12, these are all ones, plus 4, these are all ones, plus 24, these are all ones, right? So if you add this all up, this is going to be 40. Okay, so you can write it as divergence of grad phi at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1 is equals to 40. See, this is how simple it is. Just the question was given as if phi is equals to 2x cube y square z to the power 4, find divergence of grad phi at this point. So this was given in the VTU Jan 2018 paper as well. So this is the grad phi can be written as del phi can be written as del is what? Partial differentiation with respect to x, y, z with the respective unit vectors I, j and k. Now we have del phi, so multiply phi inside phi and partially differentiate phi with respect to x, y, z. Now after differentiating that, we get the grad phi. So once we get the grad phi, find the divergence of that grad phi. So that is going to be del dot del phi. So del phi we already have. Grad phi is exactly what our del phi is. So del phi is what we have got. Now just multiply it with the corresponding elements so that I, j and k are the unit vectors. If they are pointing into the same directions, they get cancelled out. So this is how after differentiating partially with respect to x, y and z, we get 12xy square z for this respective equation. Then at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1, we get 12 plus 4 plus 24 is equals to 40. Hence this is the answer. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to hit the bell icon, share, like it, give a thumbs up, okay, and share it with your friends.